Hi there, everybody. Traveling with Jack and Pam, or maybe you're listening via the podcast Love Letters to Pam. Either way, hey, thanks a bunch for checking in with us. You remember that song, Sitting by the Dock of the Bay? I kind of feel like that's what I'm doing. Instead, though, I'm standing out along this beautiful town lake. It's in the center of this community called Fountain Hills, Arizona. And in the background back there, you can see that's the Superstition Mountains. And then there's a big world-famous fountain that goes off every so often, shooting water up in the air 330 feet. But I'm not here to talk about that. I've actually got a video about the fountain on our channel. But I want to talk to you very briefly about marriage. Now, I'm not going to say I'm an expert, but I am going to say I had a good one. You know the story. Pam and I met in high school, got married in college, stayed happily married over 30 years, lived all over the country, raised 2 kids who've grown up to be pretty successful in their professional lives now and seem to be pretty well adjusted. But I've noticed now that a lot of people I run into are trying out what we call playing house, where you just kind of live together. You split your finances. You split everything other than the bed. And you call that, well, living together, a relationship. I'm with my someone, or I'm with my person, as they say. And hey, more power to you if that works. However, I just want you to know to think long and hard about making it official and get married. Do you think for 1 second I regret any second, any minute, any day of our marriage? No, I don't. And you may say, oh, you're seeing that through rose-colored glasses. Oh yeah, you have your ups and downs. That's just part of the drill. But man, oh man, I wouldn't trade any of it for anything. And I'm telling you, you need to step out there on faith. Make it official. I know you're saying, well, it's just a piece of paper. It's just a ceremony. But no, there's something deeper and more personal about actually making it the real deal. Marriage between a husband and wife. Just something to think about. And you know, if you look at studies, they've done them. Couples that are actually officially married, if you will, they tend to be better off financially, better off mentally. They're better focused on life. The family situation tends to be a little bit better because you know what? It's not as easy to just walk out. It's not as easy just to walk away from everything. When everything is pulled together, when 2 become 1, and you're married, it truly makes a difference. And yeah, I'm a Christian and I believe it's the right thing to do in the eyes of God. But let's put that aside and just think about it for a bit, okay? Hey, not to mention just the simple tax advantages. Trust me, now with Pam in heaven and I have to file taxes as a single person, I pay a lot higher tax bracket. Taxes, that is. When you're married, you get some nice breaks there. But in all seriousness, maybe think about giving up playing house and becoming married. Hey, this is going to generate a lot of fire in the comments. I know that. I apologize in advance. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Make it a great day. Better yet, a better tomorrow. Bye now.